The vet checked the dog's teeth. The doctor checked the woman's tonsils. The mechanic checked the engine to make sure that everything was working properly. The woman checked her inbox emails at the office. The doctor checked the patient's heart with a stethoscope. The woman checked her shopping list before she went to the shops. The doctor checked the health of the planet with a stethoscope. The woman checked in the mirror to make sure that she did not have any wrinkles. The man checked the engine coolant in the car. The woman checked herself out in front of the mirror to make sure that she was not putting on weight. The storeman checked the stock levels in the stock room. The woman checked to make sure that she was doing everything right. The man checked his hair to make sure that he was not going bald. The man checked his phone messages while he was waiting for his date to arrive. The woman checked her breath with her hand. The woman checked the food labeling on the box in the supermarket. The vet checked the dog's eyes. The woman checked the temperature of the bath water with her hand. The young woman checked her teeth in a mirror. The technician checked the air conditioner on the outside wall. The female manager and her staff checked the stock levels in the warehouse. The mechanic checked the tire air pressure with a pressure gauge. The woman checked the time on her watch. The pregnant woman checked her blood sugar level with a glucometer. The couple checked the map for the right directions. The delivery driver checked that he had the correct packages before he delivered them. The optician checked the patient's eyesight. The woman checked the recipe before she started cooking. The man holding an umbrella checked to see if it was still raining. The doctor checked the child's blood pressure. The traveler checked his flight time when he went to the airport. The woman in the red coat checked her text messages on her phone. The passerby checked the pulse of the man lying unconscious and then called an ambulance. The doctor checked the patient's ear during a medical examination. Santa Claus checked his Christmas wish list. The honeymooners checked into the hotel room.